Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Today I'm gonna share with you a kind of a day in the studio kind of vlog. And by studio, I just mean this table with me sitting on the floor with boxes around me. So it's not a real studio, but it is the place where I work in those days. So when I start my day, I make a list of all the things that I would ideally like to accomplish, and so that I can refer to it and it keeps me on track. So I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, I'm done with my list. There's not that many things in it because I've learned from experience that I never get done everything that I want to do, so I rather keep it small than long, because then I'm always disappointed at myself if I don't fill it in. So the first thing that I need to do is to post an Instagram picture. I really need to up my social media game in terms of my jewelry business. I honestly don't find it very enjoyable. I think it takes a lot of time, but it's one of those things that it just has to be done. So I'm gonna try and find a nice picture and upload it so that it's out of the way for the day. I'm gonna pack some water as I only have two, and I've already prepared the envelopes for it, so I'm gonna do that before I start making some more jewelry, because today I thought I would take some pictures of some items that I've done. So I just need to finish those, and then hopefully by the end of this afternoon I will be able to take some pictures.
Lila, I sing this song for you. You're beautiful, even when you're down. Know this.
I really dislike using bubble wrap, and usually I always reuse whichever bubble wrap that I've received with orders and things like that. But since I haven't really been ordering anything or spending my money on anything lately, I was obliged to buy some bubble wrap. But I do try to just reuse it if I have any lying around, and to just use as least as possible, just with items that are fragile, like this one.
Lila, I sing this song for you. You're beautiful, even when you're down. Know this, and never talk yourself out of it. Lila, it's all inside your head. Eleanor Roosevelt said, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. So let your light shine without holding it in. Love yourself and don't give in. And when you feel the harmony, smile with the sons of the galaxies. Lila, you're perfect like you are, a sublime creation, but you play yourself small. Such a waste of your beauty, girl. Lila, the key to it is you. Turn it when you feel it's true. And never look back, and let your light shine without holding it in. Love yourself and don't give in. feel the harmony, smile with the suns and let your light shine without holding it in. Love yourself and don't give in. And when you feel the harmony, smile with the sons of the galaxies.
So I'm done with what I wanted to do. I finished up some pieces that that I want to photograph, and I also made a macrame necklace that I've been meaning to do for a while. And now it is time to do the most dreaded thing, which is taking pictures with my little light box. I recently, a few months ago, purchased this light box, which is, as you might see, on the cheaper side, but I like it because it's portable, so you can collapse it so that it gets this big, which is good for traveling. And I decided to upgrade to a light box just because I travel a lot and the light always changes, the background always changes, so to try and keep it consistent, I thought the light box would be a good solution for that. Alright, I'm done with my pictures and I'm quite happy with them because I found out that the wild sage that grows around here, and there's plenty of this, like this is the only thing that grows everywhere around here, but with those around the jewelry and the wood background, it looks very, very good. So usually anytime that I finish my pictures, I'm like, that was so bad, and I'm so frustrated, but this time I feel good about it, which is quite nice. And now I just need to take some pictures with the jewelry worn, and usually to do that I do it outside. Now it's not too sunny, but I'm gonna try and get it done anyway. I think I said this already in the video that I done about with Etsy tips for starting Etsy, but one thing that I would definitely suggest is to wait until you have at least 10 to 15 items to upload and take all the pictures in batch. Just take, you know, a morning or an afternoon to do just that, so that your pictures kind of look consistent. Alright, so I finished taking the pictures. We took some pictures outside of the worn items, and Florent helped me with that, which was pretty cool because I never got anybody helping me with the pictures of worn items on me, and it's so nice when somebody else can do it for you. It's so much easier and so less frustrating, so that was really cool. And now I think it's already 7 o'clock, so I should probably stop, but I might just take a look to how the pictures look, maybe edit a little bit, and probably then call it a day. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this little studio vlog. Actually, I haven't showed you my studio, but that it is, just right there, just a corner in a room at the moment. But yeah, I will see you very soon. Bye!